Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another empties video, and this one has a ton of holy grails and a lot of total fails. So let's get started. The first thing I have is a holy grail product. It is the Freeman gel mask and scrub. This is the charcoal one with the black sugar. I love this mask, and it's only like $3 and you get a coupon. So it's only like $3. You can get it at Ulta, get y'all points. But it is the best mask. It exfoliates so nicely, and it is really gritty, but it pulls out all the impurities, and it's for all skin types. And I've used this quite a bit, so now that I am out, I will be getting another very soon. The next thing I got in a Birchbox actually, is from Beauty Protector. Is the Protect and Detangle spray. I really enjoyed this spray, not sponsored or anything. It just had a lot of really good benefits, and I actually used this quite a while ago, so I think I had like blonde hair when I used this, so think about how long ago that was. This box has just kind of been sitting in my room, so I figured I'd finally go through it and just throw it away. Next, I have a shampoo, again from when I had bleached hair. This is the Love shampoo from Davins, I believe, or Davins. Maybe it's in another language. I'm not real sure. It's an Italian shampoo brand. A lot of their stuff comes in Birchboxes. And this is for coarse and frizzy hair. My hair is no longer coarse nor frizzy. So the shampoo really doesn't do anything for me, and I don't know anyone who has this hair texture. Everyone in my family has pretty smooth hair, or it's very curly, but not like coarse. So I'm just going to throw this away. It is kind of old at this point, so there's no real use for it anymore. So yeah. Then we have the NYX Angel Veil. I think I got like a bad bottle or something, because it didn't come out the texture that I've seen other people use it. It came out very chunky. But I did enjoy the primer while I used it. It just wasn't, like, I think it was just separated or something, and even when I shook it, it didn't really do it. But it provided a nice base, especially for face paints. I have another primer, which is the Fix and Perfect from Rimmel. I definitely want to get more Rimmel makeup. I think they're a bit underrated in the States. But this primer, it was okay. I don't think it was perfectly mattifying like it says it's supposed to mattify, but it did definitely protect against any sunburn and stuff, and it's like a 5-in-1 formula, and it definitely blurred some pores and stuff like that. So this is a pretty good primer if you want to try out some Rimmel products. I think I have one more primer. I might have more. This is a Little Baby Professional, which is one of my holy grails, and I think it's like everyone's favorite primer, or at least at one time was. Benefit makes great primers, so I love this one. Then I have a Coola makeup setting spray. I enjoyed this product for when I was going outside and I had makeup on, because it's actually a sunscreen setting spray, but for me it has hyaluronic acid, and I'm actually I have very bad reactions to that. My face breaks out pretty severely, so I did use it all, but yeah, I wouldn't get it again. And it's really weird to spray sunscreen like a setting spray, because it gets all up in your nose and your eyes and stuff, and it kind of burned. So I think they need to like reformulate. Now we have some foundation. This is the Naked Skin from Urban Decay. I really need to pick up another bottle of this stuff. It's just a little bit pricey, but I was the shade 1.0, and I love this foundation. It is absolutely incredible for special events, and you actually get quite a bit. You get a whole ounce, but it looks like more than that. I think it might be more than that, I don't know, but I love this stuff. I have another foundation. I have the True Match here, which, I don't know, it's just really old and kind of chunky, and there is some left in there, but not enough to like save or be worth anything. So I'm gonna toss this. This is the color W2, And I don't know, it just never seemed to set on my skin. It always seemed very wet. So yeah, gonna get rid of that. Then we have some lip products. I have 3 here. I have the Liplicious lip gloss from Bath and Body Works in Frozen Blackberry. This has like separated and is really oily. It's really old. It's a really pretty color though, but I do have other colors that are very similar. Again, that kind of same color. This is Sugar Plum from Clinique. Again, it's kind of separated. It's old. I don't really wear it anymore. And it has a very strange taste to it. And then I have the Lip Smackers Vanilla Frosting. I never use this stuff, but it does smell really good and like is nostalgic. But it's just kind of cluttering up my already overly extensive collection of lip products. Sticking on that theme, I have this gloss called Illusion from Ulta. Again, it's just really old, but a lovely color. And then I have the Dr. Lip Miracle Balm. I did not like this stuff. I think it was too thick. You're supposed to use it as like a glitter primer, but you can also put it wherever you want it, like on your feet and on your lips and on your eyes, and I don't know, it just seemed very strange. So, and it just seems like Vaseline, so yeah. I have the Tinted Wonder Eye Cream from Balance Me. I don't think a sample this size can really like tell you if a product worked. So, yeah, I don't think it really did anything for my under eyes. It didn't really color correct or anything like that. And then a lot of this stuff is like sample size, honestly. I have the Marcel BB cream in Golden Glow. I did enjoy this BB cream when I was kind of tan last year. It was really nice to even out my skin tone. I have the Coats Flawless Complexion. This was a sunscreen I really enjoyed, but it's SPF 50, and I don't think it actually works after 30. I mean, it worked, but I think it's because I had other sunscreen on. And then I have the Coats Healthier Sunscreen Face sunscreen in the natural tint color, which also worked as like a BB cream. Oh, then I have a candle I actually finished burning. This is the London Calling Lemon and Tea scent from Bath and Body Works. I really enjoyed this little candle. I have another one, but it smells super good and warm and but also refreshing. This is just a little pot of eyelash glue that has basically dried out and it had mold growing in it, so not putting that on my face. Then I have 2 mascaras, the They're Real Primer, which I enjoyed. I would actually buy a full size of that. And then the Clinique High Definition Mascara. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. Then we have the Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. Really enjoyed this. This is in the color 15 Fair, and I will be picking up more of that when I need concealer. We have the Liquid Contour from NYX in Taupe. Again, an old favorite. Worked very well for me. And then we have the NYX Prep and Prime Base. Wasn't super impressed with it, but it did its job. I only have 3 more products. And one of them is the Lorac eyeliner. It's like the dual-ended one. It's just kind of dried out at this point. Bare Minerals face powder. I finished this completely. And then the old Browsings from Benefit. I just don't have that color eyebrows anymore, and no one I know does either. So this is going. It's also kind of dried up. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little empties video, and I'll see you guys next time.